lovelies, it's your girl Swan Angel here, bringing to you a brand new video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Thanks so much for giving my video a try. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and hit that little bell so you'll always be notified when a new video comes out. Okay, so on to the video. So first of all, lovelies, I would like to apologize for my nails. Yes, I've recently dyed something, and right now my nails, it represents that dye, so I apologize. But let's go on to the video. Besides that, I apologize, I'm sorry. So this week I wasn't sure what I wanted to draw. I was just conflicted on what to draw, and apparently that's something that's happening a lot with artists this week, is that they have no idea what to draw. So that kind of comforts me, but going through my Instagram feed is where I realized that the Draw This in Your Style challenge has come back around, and I was like, okay, cool. So there's a bunch of awesome things that I could draw in my style, and I saw this cute, amazing artist, and I've been following her for a while now, and I just love how everything she draws sparkles, because she's always drawing like little cute sparkles here and there, and it's like, oh my gosh, I just had to draw her character. And this artist is, I don't know if I'm saying it right, but Asaris, Asayris, and her character is totally cute. I love the pins on her shirt or dress, as I interpret it for, and her tattoos like so cute, and I love the little heart on her cheek. So I'm not really accustomed doing makeup, but I say I'll give it a try. So with this artwork, I almost gave up, seriously, because I'm in a slump with drawing. I'm not sure what I want to do, I'm not sure what I want to draw, and everything I start I hate. And usually when you don't know what to draw, you fall back on what you're used to, and then that frustrates you because you're always drawing that. So that was the headspace I was in. I still am. This didn't really help me get out of that space, but it actually was a step in getting out of that phase. So really, I hope that I will continue drawing. No, I will continue drawing. Just a moment. Yeah, I'm still sick from last week. I'm sorry. I'm trying to edit that out. But in this headspace I am, even when I start something, I don't actually want to finish it. I just hate everything I draw. Like if you see on the other page that little chibi drawing of myself, my avatar Swan, I hated it and I just stopped it halfway through, and that was it, and that was all I drew for the while. And now I was thinking, when I was drawing this character, I was having so much problems. So I did the line art in a pen that I'm accustomed like coloring over with watercolors. I didn't think that the alcohol from the Copics, not my Sakula markers, no, they were okay with the Sakula markers, but the Copic markers for some reason blended out the ink. So instead of just coloring over the line, the Copics smudged the line, and I was just so angry. And I was like, if it was the dark skin I'm usually accustomed coloring, you wouldn't notice it that much, but because I'm using a light skin tone, I notice it. And I was like, I hate this, I hate it, 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 I hate it. You get the gist that I hated it, but I preserved. And the next problem I have was here with the blush on the cheek. I tried this marker and it was too bright, and I tried to blend it out, and it just, oh my gosh, I literally was to get up and walk away from this drawing because I just wanted to chuck my entire sketchbook out the window because I just hated this drawing. And I was like, why am I doing this to myself? I hate it, I hate it, I hate it. I should have started over. But no, that's a problem, that when you're in this headspace about you don't know what to draw and you don't want to draw, that everything you start you want to quit. So I say, I'm not quitting this, I'll just come back later to the cheeks. And I colored the hat, and then I was like, okay, I can't fix this with my markers, so I pulled out my Prismacolors to see if I can help with the damage. And it did, but first I was to ruin the other cheek with the same marker, and I was like, oh my gosh, this you get the gist, right? I hate this, I hate this, I hate this, I hate this. I hated this drawing in the process, but the more I worked with it, the better it looked. And even though it wasn't something that I'm accustomed drawing, I'm actually kind of happy it turned out that way, because the blush on the cheek, I'll never put that much blush. I don't think I even put blushes in my drawing. So, but I'm really happy with this, and I think I'm going to do more of these drawers in your style challenges, just to get myself out of this funk, because I'm seriously fed up with it. And I love how my Prismacolors, how they give you nice texture in your drawings, and I just use it. I just went all out with the color pencils, because they were helping my drawing. They really helped. So this turned into a mixed media art piece without me even realizing, and I'm just so happy. And in following Asarius, I don't even know why I'm still attempting her name, drawing, I did a lot of techniques I'm not really accustomed to, like with the eyes, how I did the pink and the green in it, and I was like, when I first did it, I was like, I hate it, it doesn't look good, I don't know why I even tried it. But the more I looked at it, I was like, hey, this is cute, because I immediately thought it was cute with hers, but now I find mine is cute. And also another thing that happened with the markers is that the markers lifted my liner, so I went over it with my colored pencils, with the Prismacolor pencils, and I find she came out so cute at the end, and I'm so glad I did not quit this drawing that I wanted, because look how cute she came out. I was like, oh my gosh, I can't believe that a drawing that I hated, seriously, I hated this when I was drawing her, and look that I like her. I don't love her, but I like her compared to how I didn't like her in the beginning. I like her a lot, and I can't wait to try another one. So this is the final product. I know she has 4 pins on her dress, but I tried to draw the cacti and it was not coming out good. I'm sorry. So I just stuck with that one, and this is like the view. And look at that, oh, she's so cute. I find the heart on her cheek was a little too big, because I like drawing hearts, so I just drew it really big. But overall, I'm really happy that I didn't quit this drawing, and I hope that if you hate a drawing, that you stick with it, and then you may like it as well. So thanks so much for watching this videos, lovelies. I'll see you next time. Bye.